Welcome to the comprehensive guide to Axie Infinity Axie Genetics Breakdown. Understanding Axie genetics is crucial to building a strong team and making informed decisions in the game. First, let's start with the basics. Axies are digital creatures with unique characteristics, including their genotype and phenotype. The genotype refers to the genetic makeup of an Axie, while the phenotype refers to its physical appearance and attributes. Each Axie has 6 body parts, including the eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. Each body part has 3 genes, one from each parent, that determine its characteristics. The genes are represented by letters, with uppercase letters indicating a dominant gene and lowercase letters indicating a recessive gene. The genetics system in Axie Infinity is based on a combination of recessive and dominant genes. Dominant genes will always be expressed if an Axie has one, while recessive genes will only be expressed if an Axie has 2. For example, if an Axie has one dominant gene for a particular trait and one recessive gene, the dominant gene will be expressed. When breeding Axies, it's essential to understand how the genes are inherited. Each parent contributes one gene to the offspring for each body part. The resulting offspring will have a combination of genes from both parents, and the dominant genes will be expressed. To break down an Axie's genetics, start by looking at its body parts and identifying the genes that make up each part. Then, determine which genes are dominant and which are recessive. This will help you understand the Axie's phenotype and make predictions about its offspring. In practice, understanding Axie genetics can help you breed Axies with specific traits and attributes. For example, if you want to breed an Axie with a particular horn, you can choose parents with the desired horn genes and increase the chances of the offspring inheriting that trait. Best practices for Axie genetics include keeping a diverse team with a range of genes, breeding Axies with complementary genes to increase genetic diversity, and using tools and resources to help analyze and predict Axie genetics. In conclusion, understanding Axie Infinity Axie genetics breakdown is crucial to success in the game. By grasping the basics of genotype and phenotype, understanding the genetics system, and applying best practices, you can make informed decisions and build a strong team of Axies.